Memoirs of a Hayseed Physicist is a charming story of a young Acadian who rose from humble origins to play with the big boys in international science. Born in Antigonish, Nova Scotia, he spent his early years in a little fishing village called Ayrshire, the Lake Wobegon of Nova Scotia. After his father's death, he became the sole supporter of his family and spent all his spare time studying so he could fulfill his dream of going to the University of Dalhousie. Boo-hoo. Oh boy, is this ever an old picture. Where'd you dig this one up, Peter? It was here that he met with the registrar of the university, and pulling his documents out of a bag, he requested the entrance to the university. He tried his hand in many fields, but physics was his passion. Here's some of his experimental apparatus used in his master's degree in low-temperature physics. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, looks impressive. In order to continue his studies, he spent the summers working for Nova Scotia Research Foundation, drilling for oil. Here's one of his friends in the field. Obviously, he's taking the picture, and the other guy's doing all the work. Okay. To further his studies, he traveled to Toronto to complete his PhD in solid-state physics. Here are two of his friends entering the front door of McLennan Labs at the University of Toronto. Yeah, big and small, yeah. This photo apparatus depicts some of his doctoral, something that was used for his doctoral. Oh my gosh, that's pathetic, isn't it? Another day at the lab. Here are two of Peter's buddies. Doesn't look like they're working very hard to me, you know. After graduation, Peter joined the researchers at the Atomic Energy of Canada in Chalk River Nuclear Laboratories. Located in northern Ontario, he had a share of snow to shovel during the winter months. It was here in Chalk River that this big shot carried out some mediocre experiments in biophysics. With the privilege of international science comes the perks of international travel. And here he and his wife are tootling up and down the French Riviera after a conference in Grenoble. Boy, that was nice. A side trip to Egypt with his wife, Leslie. I guess that's to come. You'll see this one. Yeah, there we are. And this was in Egypt, of course. You can see the pyramids there. This was slightly before a conference in Israel. Fun time on the camel there. Here we are. That's our younger daughter, and they're in St. Mark's Square feeding the pigeons. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this book. We had fun time writing it. Anyway, Peter did. Anyway, enjoy. Bye-bye.